done by one of my favorite actors, Michael Myers from Saturday Night Live. Fantastic. So here we go, drawing Shrek's face. There we go, all the way down like this. He's a ogre. I love ogres. Okay, let's go up like this. And now we've got to make room for his ear here. He's got a funny ear that goes like this. He's kind of got a bit of a round bit here. That's fun. There we go, just like that. And we'll draw his other ear coming around this side. There we go. Just like that. Perfect. There we go, we got it. Big eyebrow for Shrek. There we go, very nice. Maybe another one here. It's looking good, everybody. Let's draw his nose right about here. Coming around like that. There we go. Shrek's looking good. Okie doke, let's draw an eye. One like this. And then another one over here like this. Very nice, everybody. Yep. Eyeball in there like that. Looking good. All right. We'll give him some cheeks here. There and there. And a big old smile. Because he's really a fun ogre, isn't he? Just like that. Give him a bit of a lip. Looking good. Maybe some chin there. Very nice, everybody. Now he's got a bit of a coat here, isn't he? Coming on down like this, or a vest, I should say. Just like that. You know, the other bit right about there, going up. Looking good. Bring it on down like this. Give it a bit of a swirly bit. Leave spot here for the, well, we'll join them up. There we go. And here we go. We can draw a bit of a tie here now. There and there. Bit of a funny knot bit. And a couple of threads coming down. There we go. Looking good, everybody. And you can wear a shirt underneath that. Just like that. And then we'll join the vest up here. Just like that. And then we can start a shoulder here. There we go, and his arm coming down. Same over here. Let's draw his shoulder. His arm coming down like that. Looking nice. He's a big guy. Big thick arms he's got. There we go. Looking nice. Do the same over here. Finish off his sleeve and bring it on up like that. Alright, now we can do his belly. This is where his belly would be, right about there. And we'll just bring it all around like this. Big old round part like that. Very good. Let's join up his arm there. Oh, I like this. I think Shrek's got a bit of a belt here too. We'll give him a belt buckle. Just around here with some flap. I like that. Bring it on back up like that. Looking good. Bit of a skirt. Alrighty, there we go. Now he's got kind of shorter, stubbier legs, doesn't he? But they're still strong. Strong, so you make lots of bumps. There's his knee. And we'll bring this one around like that. There we go. Strong with his knee there. Very nice. Put some round that off and give him some boots, eh? Right about there. Do this. Very nice. Bit of a heel here. Round the boot up like that. Let's do this one here. Heel. Round the foot off like this. Very nice. I like it. Now all we gotta do is the hands. He's got big old hands that he kind of hangs off to the side here in a fist-like bit. There we go. Do the same over here. Just like that. Bring it on down with some knuckles. Big old fist here. There we go. Looking nice. It's Shrek, everybody. Let's give it a thumbs up and get to the color. Shrek has green skin, black eyebrows and eyes, brown vest and belt and shoes, light brown tights. Thanks, everyone.